Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Mercedes bonnet logo. First, gather your tools. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth, and your new emblem. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level, safe surface before starting any work. Protecting your car's paint is crucial, so place a soft cloth around the emblem area to prevent scratches. This simple preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for your vehicle. Now, let's remove the old emblem. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver under the base of the existing emblem. Carefully pry it up just enough to get a good grip. Once slightly lifted, twist the emblem approximately 1/4 of a turn counterclockwise. This action will unlock it from its mounting points. After removal, ensure you clean any remaining debris or old adhesive from the bonnet surface for a clean slate. With the old emblem removed and the area clean, it is time to install your new one. Carefully align the new emblem with the base on the bonnet, ensuring the tabs on the emblem match the slots. Gently push down on the emblem while twisting it approximately 1/4 of a turn clockwise. You should feel it click securely into place. Double-check that the emblem is firmly seated and perfectly centered for a professional look. Once your new emblem is installed, gently press on it to confirm it is stable and secure. Give the surrounding bonnet area a quick clean to remove any smudges or fingerprints, ensuring a polished, professional finish. This small detail makes a big difference in the overall appearance. Remember, a fresh car is not just about the exterior. For a truly fresh ride, check the description below for a link to little trees, black ice air fresheners, and other fantastic deals to keep your interior smelling great too. Enjoy your refreshed Mercedes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.